A lot of you have requested a video on how to apply to Stanford University in case you are expressing interest in knight-Hennessy scholarship, which I have made a video on. Okay, so this video is in 3 parts: part 1, part 2, part 3, and the reason being I don't want to make the videos very long, so we have a maximum of 10 minutes per video. Okay, so if you want to know how to create an account, how to find a program, and how to submit a complete application to Stanford University, then this is the video for you. Look at this first part and the subsequent part, wherein I may not have to do introduction, just a continuation of the application process. Okay, so if this is something that interests you, watch this video till the end. Let's get into it. I'll open a new tab. Let's see, this is my very first time. I'll just open a new tab. You don't know anything, so I'll type Stanford University. STAN. Stanford, as you can see, a private university. Click on this, and this is the, okay, so let's go down again, you see it. As you can see, you see up here, Stanford, www. Okay, so this is the official website. You click on this again, Stanford. Now, if I want to apply for a specific program, okay, you first of all have to know the admission requirements. Okay, so sometimes you click on this admission, you go down, just go, this is for undergrad. We are looking for graduate admissions, funding. Okay, so let me click on this one. Now, welcome to the graduate admission, how to apply. You just go this, explore the program. So I will have to click on this one. Okay, why Stanford, all of this, I don't need all of this information. But let me click on this, how to apply, and let's see where it will take us. The online application for 2026 entry is open. So I can click on this and start the application. Okay, select one program. So I will select one program out of the graduate program listed. On this, you may submit only one application per academic year to be considered for admission for a single program. Okay, now graduate admission, overseas online application, departmental, explore credit programs. Step 1, admission process. Step 1, the first step is to prepare and submit application material through the online application system. So now, if I want to know the application material, I'll click on this one. Let's see. So this is it. Learn about the online application, personal background, program selection, academic history, test scores, experience, recommendation statement, program supplementary. These are some questions, and they will teach you everything here if you need to understand everything. Okay, test scores, everything. Okay, so these are basically the areas I have to fill in. But now I need the admission requirement, application fee if you have to pay, anything like that. Now I need the, so you go back. Sometimes if you don't want to be moving, like I have to go back this way, what you do, you always right click if you want to open a new page. Okay, so now sometimes it's difficult for you to find information. You see this search, click on this search and type admission requirements, graduate admission requirements, type graduate admission, because you have to know if you meet the requirement, graduate admission requirements. And just click on to frequently asked question, test scores. Am I eligible to apply to Stanford? Be available as how you must hold and expect to this. So maybe you click on this one, but let's go down. Let me see, school-based waivers admitted to the official website about credit admission, service, background, partnership with this. Okay, there's lots and lots of requirements of admission. Minimum for academic credentials. Okay, let's click on this. Okay, there's lots here. Anyways, let's click on this requirement for admission. Let's see. Requirements of admission. Let me reduce this one. The offer of admission is contingent on fulfillment of the university minimum requirements. Fine. So let's click on this minimum requirement. To be eligible for admission to graduate study at Stanford, you must meet the university requirements for academic materials and English proficiency. Minimum requirements: you must hold or expect to hold before enrollment at Stanford a US bachelor's degree or international equivalent from a college or university recognized standing. Okay, for applicants who earn their qualifying degree outside the US. If you are unsure whether your international degree is considered equivalent to US, so this we recommend using the degree equivalent to. If you can click on this, offered by the West. Okay, if you are unsure, for admitted students who earn their qualifying, okay, this is US now. English proficiency, of course. So your first language is English. That means you are exempted from submitting. Effective for applicants starting credit program in 2026, you are not required to submit English proficiency test scores if you meet one of the following criteria. You are a US citizen or permanent resident. Your first language is English. Okay. Now you earn a US bachelor's degree or master's or doctoral or international equivalent from a university where all instruction was conducted in English. So note this one. You have 2 or more consecutive years of full-time professional or educational experience in English in the past 10 years. So all of that, okay, you don't have to submit. Now you can click on this application overview. But that is not all. But from this, you can basically apply. But I want to see if you can see maybe GPA or something like that. And if you don't see it, official transcripts and degree and conference document, test scores. Okay, so let's click on this. Let me see what is there. Required documents for incoming students. Now click on this, expand all. We require official documents from all post-secondary education. Let me see. So guys, I'm just trying to, what official document do I need to submit? Use the service to what are the status of official documents? If there is any GPA you need to know. Sometimes it's the course, okay? Like the specific course you click, you know, requirements for admission. I think I've clicked on this one already, minimum requirements, okay. So now I'm going to click on explore programs and see, maybe when you click on the program, you will see. So this is Master's School of Engineering. You can filter here, okay? Masters of Public, Masters of Science. I'll click on this one. You see it's the engineering. So I'll click on the one I'm interested in now. Now School of Engineering program website. If you want to click on the program website, this person is the CE admission at Stanford, like the admission officials, okay? Full time, everything, they will tell you everything here. Now click on the program website. Maybe university graduate program application eligibility, okay? So to be eligible for admission to this, you must meet one of the following. You must hold or expect to hold. You must hold or expect to hold before enrollment at Stanford a bachelor's degree. Okay, then this is another one. It's just safety. Not required for admission to graduate program in civil engineering. We do not require a minimum GPA. Wow. Particular field of undergraduate or graduate, other GRE scores are not considered. Wow. Wow. This is good. Anyway, so now once you've decided to apply, take time to familiarize yourself with how to apply. So you click on this now, how to apply, and you read everything here. You click on the deadline, everything you need to know. Okay, once you are done, access the online application. So now I'm going to click on this one and start my application. And you can read on this one, statement of purpose. You can read everything. It will ask you. These are some of the questions you have to answer. In your statement of purpose, please include this, everything here. Okay, 3 letters of recommendation. You need that. You need a resume. You need 2 first score. You need application fee if we are, or application fee waiver. You can click on this. Okay, additional information about applying. Important admission notice. You can read everything here. Okay, now we've known the basics. So I'll just click on apply now, because this is now the online application for 2026 is open. Apply now. I'll click on this again. First time user, I'll click create an account. Okay, so click on this one, then address. I'm going to use this email, manageable life abroad 2023. So if you want to send me an email as the email, I'll put my first name, then my last name, then my date of birth, the Okay. So this is going to be very fast, guys. Now you click on continue. We found a similar account. Okay. So now they are saying they found a similar account, which is this. I'm going to change this one completely. I have so many emails here. Let's see. So I'll say Kamara. I want to start so you guys can see Kamara Mohammed. YouTube. That's if they say the same thing, well, maybe. Let me say again. Okay, fine. So now it is, as you can see, a temporary pin has been sent to your email. So I'm going to look for that pin. I'll come to this. So this is one of my emails accounts. I'll click on this one. This is my Jibu Life Abroad. I'll look for that one. Kamara Jibula Mohammed. This is it. So you open that email. Once that email open, you can see activate. You can see activate. So now this is the pin. I'll just right click on this one, you copy it, then you come back to the application here, then you right click and paste. Now you confirm again your date of birth, and this one, where is it? Okay, so once you are done, you click on login. Now you are going to create an account. Click save, so you don't have to be entering. So now you click your password. Just create any password, strong password, a mixture of capital letter, small letters and numbers, and maybe I always use @. Okay, and this one has to match. So now everything here is green. So you must set your password, then update this. You click on it. Now you've not started the application. Start your online application. Create application. This is going to be very fast. Request application support if you want. Okay, if you need any help doing your application, you can always click on this. Everything here, application tips, everything. Okay, application fee you have to pay. There is 125. But for more information about accepted payment system and fee waiver, you can click on this. Okay, if you want to know, so you right click, so you don't have to come back. So you always right click and open a new tab. So as you can see, it opens a new tab. Your application fee is this non-refundable. For guided programs, if you qualify for one of the following, you may request an application fee waiver. Refer to the guided programs page for application deadlines. GRE fee, US citizen or permanent resident, program participation waiver, participant in good standing in one of the following listed programs. So you can click on this one, school-based waiver. Those who meet school, you can read on this, everything here, submit. Okay, so let's go now. I'll go back, then you click on continue. Now, these are all the information I just have to fill, everything here, everything here. So you confirm this. Now, if I have a middle name, I'll put that. This is very easy to do. So just take your time. I have to be in a rush, so I don't keep you guys here for an hour. Would you like to share a different first name? No. Your pronouns, this can be if man, he or him, okay? Do you have a different name listed? No. So you click on this. If you've changed your name, then you can click yes and write the name. Please provide your permanent address. So for me now, I'll just put US or mailing address, US here, then streets. I'll do this one very fast. Okay. So once you get this one valid, this is optional. Okay, optionally provide a date. It's optional, so I won't bother myself. I'll just click on this one. Okay, you entered, so now they want to correct this one, fixed address. I'll just, your address enter is ambiguous or, oh, I know why. So I have to fix. So this will be K, then aptitude K12. I have to put this K12. Okay, let's see. Maybe that's going to work. Yes. Okay, fine. So once you're done, email address, is it, telephone number, I'll just put my telephone number. So now I'm just entering because I've done most of these things. birthday, birth city. Okay. Now this is your country, birth country. I'll change this one to my country, so I'll find it on the list. You come down, where is it? It's crazy. Sometimes just start to type, you will see it. So I'll just say SIE, so you can see Sierra Leone. This is going to be Freetown. Okay. Take this one out. If applicable, what is your current military? No, I don't have any. If applicable, you select. If not, just leave that one. Sex, I am a male. Gender, agenda, man, I am a man. Okay, so just click on that. Citizenship, you put again Sierra Leone here. Okay, dual citizenship if you have. Okay, race, decline to say, are you Hispanic or Latino? I am not. Latinos, you know them, or just do your research. Black or African American. I am US African American. Regardless of your answer, okay. If you want, or Sub-Sahara Africa, okay. Look at this here. Native, no, white. What is your first spoken language? So for me, it's English. I'll just click on this. If applicable, you may list up to 3 additional languages below if you want. Additional background, please indicate the highest level of education completed by any of your parents or guardian while you were growing up. No formal education. I will just click on this. If you wish, you may share additional information about your parents. Okay. This, if you have time, please everything just add. Okay. Then I'll click continue.